Dear students, today we will discuss about the nomenclature of heterocyclic compounds. There are so many systems for the nomenclature of heterocyclic compounds. Out of these, most important system for the nomenclature is the systematic nomenclature system. This system is given by Hans Bidman scientist. So this is also known as the Hans-Bidman system of nomenclature. According to this system, there are three parts of the name of heterocyclic compound. First one is the prefix, second one is the mid stem, and third one is the suffix. So first of all, we will discuss about the prefix of the name of heterocyclic compound. Prefix of any compound depends on the nature of heteroatom present in the heterocyclic compound's ring. For example, if it is oxygen, then the prefix of the name will be oxa. If it is nitrogen, prefix will be aja. If it is sulfur, then the prefix will be thia. If it is selenium, then the prefix will be selena. If the heteroatom is the bismuth, then the prefix would be bisma. If it is phosphorus, then the prefix would be phosphor. If it is arsenic, then the prefix would be arsa. And if the prefix is germanium, then the prefix would be germa. If it is silicon, then the prefix would be sila. So according to the nature of heteroatom of the compound, prefix may be summarized in the following table. Heteroatom, prefix. For oxygen it is oxa. For nitrogen it is aja. For sulfur it is thia. For selenium it is selena. For bismuth it is bisma. For phosphorus it is phosphor. For silicon it is sila. For germanium it is germa. So these are the prefix of the name of heterocyclic compound for some important heteroatoms. If more than one heteroatom is present in the ring of any compound, then these heteroatoms may be of two types. First of all the heteroatoms are of the same type. For example, if two nitrogen atom is present in the ring or three nitrogen atom is present in the ring, then the di, tri, tetra, etc. Words are used before the suffix. For example, if two nitrogen atom is present in the ring, then the prefix for this compound will be diaza. Similarly, if two oxygen are present, then the prefix will be dioxa. Similarly, for two sulfur atom, prefix will be dithia and so on. Now, if the more than one types of heteroatoms are present in the ring, then the prefix of the compound will be decided on the basis of priority. For example, if in any compound nitrogen and oxygen are present, then the prefix is decided according to two rules. If are present in the ring, then the preference is given to the heteroatom which is present in the higher group of periodic table. For example, if nitrogen and oxygen are present in the ring, then the preference is given to the oxygen because oxygen is present in the 16th group of the periodic table while the nitrogen is present in the 15th group of the periodic table. So in this case, prefix of the compound will be as follows. Oxa plus aza is equal to oxaja. So you can see in this case that there is vowels in the end of oxa and there is vowel a in the beginning of aja. So in this case, vowel of the oxa is deleted and the prefix become oxaja. Similarly, if nitrogen and sulfur are present, then the prefix would be as follows. So again we can see that sulfur is present in the higher group, so preference will be given to the sulfur and prefix will be thia plus aja. So prefix will be thiaja. So in these examples we can see that if two different types of heteroatoms are present in the compound string, then the prefix is decided according to the nature or according to the groups of the periodic table. Similarly, we can see that if two heteroatoms of if two heteroatoms or different heteroatoms are of the same group of the periodic table, then the preference is given to the heteroatom which have lower atomic weight or atomic number. For example, if oxygen and sulfur are present in the ring, then the preference will be given to the oxygen again, because oxygen and sulfur both are present in the 16th group of the periodic table or in the same group of periodic table. So in this case, preference is given to the heteroatom which have lower atomic number or atomic weight. So in this case, prefix will be as follows: oxa plus thia, oxa thia. So in this video we can see that the prefix of the heteroatom is decided on the basis of heteroatom present in the ring. And this is all for this video. In the next video.